अपनी बॉलिंग का आगाज करेंगे हसनैन। उनके लिए लेग स्लिप भी है क्योंकि लेफ्ट हैंडर को इन स्विंग करने की अहलियत है।
काफी अच्छा बाउंस रखे हुए था।
शानदार शॉट, स्क्वायर लेग की जानिब सरका दिया, बिल्कुल भी कुव्वत सर्फ नहीं की। एक बार फिर रन होंगे, दूसरे के लिए भी पलटना चाहिए। पुल शॉट, अमल शॉट फखर जमान का, और बारिश के बावजूद आउटफील्ड ये तेज निकली है। और इसे कट किया, लाजवाब कैच, स्लिप पोजीशन पर लिया गया और ये पहली कामयाबी हासिल की हसनैन ने। और ये शानदार कैच था
और हसनैन की रफ्तार को भी आप दाद देना चाहेंगे। यहाँ पे जबरदस्त रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन किया, पहली मर्तबा के कैच उनके हाथ से निकल गया था।
और मोहम्मद हसन अपनी बॉलिंग जारी रखेंगे। स्क्वायर ड्राइव करना चाहते थे और बाहरी किनारे पर ये 4 रन पा गए फखर जमान। इसे हुक कर दिया, लॉन्ग लेग का इलाका खाली है, फखर जमान ने उसी को हदफ किया। तो पैड पर लगी लेकिन अंपायर ने देर की, आउट देते देते देर आयत दुरुस्त आयत, तो कामरान चलते बने सिर्फ 2 पर।
नौजवान अली रजा फाइनल में भी उसी अंदाज से कामयाबी हासिल करने में कामयाब रहे जिस अंदाज से उन्होंने पिछले गेम्स में मुतासर किया। सीधा स्टंप्स के सामने उन्होंने मौजूद पाया कामरान को, समझने से कासिर है, ना बुलंदी में मसला था, ना ये लेग स्टंप को मिस करती। शानदार लम्हा, कामरान गुलाम जैसे हीरे को गवा दिया यूएमटी मार्कोर्स ने।
चेयरमैन इंक्लोजर में मेहमानों की आमद का सिलसिला शुरू है और हसीबुल्लाह इनके चौकों का सिलसिला शुरू है। शॉट, इस बार थर्ड मैन पर कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सके। ये फुल टॉस थी, इस बार मुंह की खाना पड़ी और गेंद ज्यादा बेहतर बल्ले पर आने लगी है। ये शानदार शॉट खेला ऑफ ड्राइव हसीबुल्लाह का और गेंद तेज से तेज सर गई लेक सिटी पैंथर्स के ड्रेसिंग रूम में। और यहाँ पर बढ़ चढ़कर खेला फखर जमान ने।
It's a good batting track and that was close.
Wow! Watch out crowd, it's coming your way.
And he hits it and then he admires what he did. Wonderful big hit.
Just timed it. Will it carry to the fielder? Not quite. Excellent effort. Brave effort from Haider Ali. Fakhar swings the bat again, but this time finds the fielder. Oh no! What have you done, Haider Ali? Just the one run. For a moment, I thought it was going to run into the boundary skirtings.
Oh, he's cleaned him up. Through Hasibullah and Sajid Khan has the last laugh into the tournament and he has won.
That was coming inside and he just cleaned him up right through the batter. Hasibullah, who was looking good, has to go.
It's over now for Sajid. Attempts a big shot and only attempts to lose his wicket. Once again trying to muscle the ball. Once again is the off spin from Sajid. UMT Marcos now have lost 4.
Sajid Khan had other plans. This time he wanted to get the elevation, could not get the bat under the ball. No elevation.
20. President's Cup.
Oh, that's unfortunate. The fielder returning the ball to the bowler, but Iftikhar got in the middle of that. I think it went straight to his hand. We'll be hoping it's nothing serious. He's not just an important part of the team. He's the skipper today. Just taking a look at that. So he was going for a direct hit onto the stumps, but ended up on Iftikhar's hand.
Right, wrong target.
That's high. Oh, that's not high. Second time around, Asif Yaqub has taken his time and then he's raised his finger.
full foot is behind the line. Absolutely no problems there. Just have a look at this. And on the back foot, and plumb that looked, and so did the umpire think. And Hasnan, well, he is on. His hands are on the steering of the car now.
Oh, yes. Well, he's got the 17th wicket. I'm telling you, he's already opened the door of that car for the player of the tournament.
Once again, a lazy stroke. Back-to-back wickets. And both coming off careless, lazy stuff from the batters. Iftikhar first and then Samad. एक ऑफ स्पिनर बैठा देख रहा है दूसरे ऑफ स्पिनर को.
Might have a second look at that, but that's a good effort put in by there, Umar Siddique.
Boundary check is on, and Umar has done a fabulous job. Pulled the ball back in time. Most economical spell by any of the bowlers in this Champions Cup.
सिर्फ 24 रन देना मेरा ख्याल है कि मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल बॉलिंग इस टूर्नामेंट में उन्होंने की है.
कितनी बॉलिंग करनी चाहिए इसके बारे में थोड़ा गाइड कीजिए प्लीज. यंगस्टर्स देख रहे हैं बहुत सारे
कि मैच विनिंग उसने बॉलिंग की है.
Slightly shorter in length and is put away. Shadab completes that over.
मतलब कि 100 बॉल करने का मकसद ये है कि उसको वो बॉल काउंट किए जाएं.
Oh, he's got 1 second. We'll have to interrupt you as one more catch has been taken, and this time probably one of the last recognized batters for the Markhors is gone.
Absolutely irrelevant at the moment. The kind of stroke that he's played mid-on up, he doesn't commit fully to the stroke, just wanders down and just places it straight to the fielder. And now he'll be thinking, what have I done? 16 of 37 with almost 20 overs after this to play. That's big. It's huge. Out of the ground, Akif goes huge into the crowd.
Once again, went big. It is in the air, and he takes the catch. You cannot keep Sajid out of the game.
And it went miles in the air. Little bit of turn for Shadab. And Sajid Khan camped underneath, took the catch. The celebration.
Runs for Zahid. Thick edge. He will have to take it. Yes, after a long stroll, Abdul Wahid Bangalzai was able to stop it.
Get a total on the board. Not to be Imran. A big swing and a miss. And his stumps are rattled. Arafat Minhas takes his second wicket.
But they're looking in a hurry. Missed it altogether. Threw the bat, eyes wide shut.
Knocked him over inside edge onto the stumps. And UMT Markhors have been skittled out.
Arafat Minhas came late to the act, but have wrapped things over for Lake City Panthers within his 2 over and 4 deliveries. Went for a big one once again. Shahnawaz Ali Dhani played on to his stumps, and that wicket clearly sums up the effort of UMT Markhors this evening. 1-2-2 is a dream total which Lake City Panthers would have thought. Shahnawaz Ali Dhani also is back, and so is UMT Markhor.